idea that we are already having some ventures in our college. So let the students have some help doing helping them.
The basic problems
So
which
they can
are
know what all issues come up, how to resolve them. So basic idea they can get about that.
So the basic problems which the startup face right now in the college is the financing part. The student have to invest more, and either they get formalities are more in clearing the financial budget for the project.
But I think funding is not a problem until and unless we have the idea. Because if there is no idea, then no one is ready to give the funding. So if students can come out with the ideas, then I think we can approach for the funding also.
I would add something to that point is that one thing why people are not coming up with their ideas is fear of failure. They fear that if they come up with an idea, there is no one to support them and there is no one to the back if they face a failure in their life. So I think the fear of failure does not promote them to start up in the college.
According to my perspective, that we know that we have 240 students in our college. Around more than 80% of our students have some unique idea, but they lacking a field of how to implement them. They still doesn't know how to start their idea, how to make project report. So according to my perspective, there should be proper class or lectures should be happen on the startups to provide all the details that how should you what should, from which point you should start, what should the steps should be taken in the future to start your own startup, your own venture.
Even the safety plays an important role in the startup because the security issues might also occur during the startup, and that is a fear that all the people have, all the students in the college have, that they might lose some amount of money in the startup. So it is also a security fear in the mind of the student who is coming with creative ideas.
So I think Ifeel is there to support, so we can request Ifeel to come up with some classes or seminars so that we can have idea and one-to-one mentorship, so that we can have how to go further for our ideas. But before that, I think we should get the ideas from the students only.
Actually, the main point of startup or entrepreneurship is the power of taking the risk.
Yes.
As we interviewed many faculties yesterday, so they also told the main point of entrepreneurship or leadership is the risk-bearing capacity. The students at the initial stage do not have the capacity to take the risk and start a new business. So if we provide a surety that we are with some support or with some financial support, we can get some great ideas from the students.